It's a brand new elevator for Super 8 Motel.
I mean, it feels nice.
Seventh floor.
Look at the floor.
Yeah, I wonder who did this mod. This is a fresh mod.
And it feels new.
I think these are mad fixtures. Watch the buttons how it changes color when we get there.
That's interesting.
Watch the one button. I think this is either a Schindler or a ThyssenKrupp mod.
First floor.
Oh man, we just missed a vintage elevator. That's it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.